Hi there guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm super sorry it had been a long time to record and I got a new account because I logged out of my account and then I was doing my password and it was the real password and it was saying incorrect and I tried like so much times, like 5 times try it but didn't work. I think not because I made another account after that old account, but I didn't record maybe. But now I got a new account, guys. It's like the same. So today we are playing Roblox, and this game is the old version of Roblox. It's made. I don't know when it's made, but let's see when it's made. But it's not made. I think it wasn't made like in 2007. But let's see. Wait a second, guys. It was created in 2018, 1/11/2018. It was not that long time ago, guys. So yeah, and we gotta like do some things. We have like a bazooka. Look at it. Yeah. I wonder if I throw it in the sky. Look at it going. It's gonna take a million years to explode. I'm just kidding. About million years. Where is it? Is it still there? I don't know. Hmm? Hello? Is it exploding? There we go. It's exploding now. Okay, you have a sword, but you can't like fight. I think with it. I don't think so. You can. You have like bombs. You drop one, and it will explode. Boom. Look at the health, and you can like build the wall. Whee! Super cool. But right, but the new update of Roblox is still cool though. They're both cool. I don't know which is better. They draw. They're both good. Okay, you can't like go too far. You can like do like this. I think. Let's try and ride the car. Let's see. Because I didn't ride it though. Whoa, whoa, whoa! This car. It's Whoa, whoa, whoa! What is going on? Why it's glitching? No! No! Wake up, wake up! No, 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 no. Okay, guys, okay. We'll respawn though. Whee! We're gonna fall like in a waterfall and then we'll respawn. Whoa! Wait, where's the waterfall? I'm just kidding, I knew that. Because I already played it. But I decided to record for you guys, for all of you. Woo! My house. I'm gonna destroy it. I can. Hello, anybody there? Anybody there? Anybody there? Anybody? 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 Oh, by the way, guys, now I really know like how to hack. So if you want me to do that video tutorial, leave a comment and say that. And please subscribe and like for more. So thank you. I really do appreciate that. Whee! Raining balls. Oh, we have marbles and paint. Look, marbles. Is that marbles, balls? I have no idea exactly. Whee! This can kill people though. Not people, but it can kill the characters. Have the paintball. It can make you on color, guys. Let's see, make us on color. We can't. Can make people on color if you shoot them. Woo! This wall is a cool one though. Woo! Build a wall. Yeah, I'll destroy it. Yeah. Yeah, destroy it. Come on. Destroy it. Yeah. I'm gonna build a locker door. Not a locker door, I don't know. But like this. I'm locked. Wait. I can get out. I can get out. Yeah. Wait, it's stuck from there and now it won't go. Can it? Yeah, it will go. So. Eh. Hello? Hello? Anybody there? Anybody there who locked the door? Oh, thank you. Okay. Guys, I was saying right that I'm gonna teach you how to hack, but I'm not that an expert though for now. Still, but I'm not gonna hack people for no reason, right? I don't think so. I'm gonna hack. Wait, someone just joined the game. What? Who is that? Is he one of my friends? Let's see. Yeah, he is. She is, I mean. Oh, what? No! Let's chat. Sure. Hey, I'm recording. Hey, I'm recording. On YouTube. Please don't be hashtags. Yes, not hashtags. Look at it. I didn't write it YouTube. I write it YouTube there. I don't know. Hi there, girl. What's up? Look at my bomb. Look at it drop. Oh! Whoa! That was so cool. The one got explode. Bye bye, wall. Got explode that wall. No! Wrong way, dude. Wait, it did explode though. I'm just kidding. Woo! Woo! Oh, by the way, look at my new friend. Wait, why you're naked? Oh, okay. I don't want to look at that though. By the way, no. Oh. Okay. No way! Just destroy the house. What? You can destroy the house? Is it permanent? Oh, I almost killed myself. I almost killed my character. Oh, by the way, guys, don't be mad at me that I'm hacking, guys. Don't worry, I'm not gonna hack you for no reason. And don't worry, like, don't be scared to go subscribe or he'll hack me. No, I won't. Don't worry if you don't subscribe. If you subscribe, I still don't. For no reason, why not? Why I'm gonna hack you for no reason? Doesn't make that sense. That's super evil. Okay, she left. So I'm gonna like say a little bit more. Let's destroy the house. Woo! Please don't be permanent. Ah, ooh. Ah, yeah. Destroy everything in my path. Look at my new friend. Woo! Whoa. This became haunted. What the? Oh my! Woohoo! Yep! Whoa! Yeah. Woo! Chakalaka. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Woo! No, I missed that. Oh, come on. Whoa. Let's try a bit from there. What? Okay, guys, okay. It's still broken. So guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And even tell me, would you like the most, the old version of Roblox or the new version? Leave a comment down below and tell me. I prefer both of them. They're both cool. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.